Hear arguments first this morning in Allen against Illinois. Mr. Mines, you may proceed whenever you're ready.
Mr. Chief Justice, and may it please the Court, as I speak to the Court this morning, the petitioner, Terry Allen, is incarcerated in a maximum security penal institution in the state of Illinois. He's there with persons who have been formally convicted of crime, and like them receives the mental health treatment that's available in that facility. The petitioner, though, has not faced trial for a crime. The state of Illinois could have pursued a traditional criminal prosecution against him, but chose not to. Instead, the state chose an alternative. They sought to have him declared a sexually dangerous person under Article 105 of the Illinois Code of Criminal Procedure.
Now, is that a criminal procedure or a civil procedure? You cite it as under the criminal code.
It is under the criminal code, Your Honor. The statute itself carries a civil label. We're arguing, though, that it is criminal for purposes of the Fifth Amendment. That is our precise argument here.
But you concede the legislature has described this as a civil proceeding.
It has in the statute itself. The state pursued this adjudication of Allen as a sexually dangerous person. It was conducted.
Do you have preponderance or beyond a reasonable doubt?
That is the proof beyond a reasonable doubt. The state must make its case that Allen is a sexually dangerous person beyond a reasonable doubt.
Civil case.
That was the thrust of this decision in Stachylak v. Coughlin, a Seventh Circuit case of 1975, which ruled that the proceeding, though denominated civil, was sufficiently criminal as to require the imposition of a burden beyond a reasonable doubt. That is an opinion, by the way, upon which we rely.
Type of institution in which these persons are confined, I think you said they were confined also with people convicted of crime. Is it a state prison?
It is a state prison, Your Honor.
Is it indistinguishable from other prisons that do not have psychiatric cases?
It is indistinguishable in our judgment, Your Honor, from other institutions. Indeed, it is simply a part of a larger institution, the Menard Correctional Center in Illinois. In 1933, the Menard Psychiatric Center was set off as a separate institution. A new wall was constructed between it and the rest of the Menard Correctional Center. Mental health treatment is available there.
Well, it is a hospital.
It is a mental health treatment center. It is not a hospital as such. It is certainly not a mental health hospital as one might imagine a hospital to be.
Person confined in there is just not an outpatient. He's an inpatient. He stays there.
He stays there. He stays there indefinitely, Your Honor.